So AWS has given this option for people who want to try out the services in AWS. Now, if you want to get more details about the AWS free account, you can go ahead and click on View AWS Free Tier Details. So here you will get all the details about the free account. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the different offers available. So first you have services which are always free and available to all AWS customers. You then have services which are offered for free for a period of 12 months. And then you have some free trial offers also available. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the different offers available. Now, let's quickly go ahead and filter on what gets free for 12 months. So I'll turn off the featured and turn on those services which are offered free of cost for 12 months. On the right hand side, you will now see all the services which are offered for free as part of your free AWS account. Now, one very key thing to note is that for each service, you have to make note of what comes for free. So for example, if you are spinning up a virtual server on the cloud, that is, you're creating an Amazon EC2 instance. We are going to go into creating this instance in a later on chapter, but this is just good for you to know. You have to make note of what comes free. So over here, it clearly mentions that you will get 750 hours of compute free per month for T2.micro instance usage. Now, T2.micro is a specific instance type. So only if you create a virtual server of this instance type, then if you are running your server for only 750 hours a month, then you will not be charged. So please make a very careful note on what comes free as part of every service. Now, when we go on to the Amazon EC2 section in this course, when we create a virtual server, we will again revisit this condition for what comes free as part of the free tier. Similarly, if you go on to storage, so there is a service known as the simple storage service. Again, you can keep note what comes free as part of the service. Now, if I go on to switch on to always what is free, so here you can see the services and what comes free as part of the services to all AWS customers. So if you want to know more about AWS, it is recommended to create an AWS free tier account and then try out the different services on offer. Now, if I click on create an AWS account, so you will be redirected to a page where you can sign up as a new customer to create an AWS account. So here you can see that you need to have an email address. Now, the sign up is very simple. Now, in addition to the email address, you would also need to have a credit card in place. Now, why does AWS need a credit card when it comes to the sign up? It's only that at the end of the month or the end of the billing cycle of the month, let's say that you have used up a service which is not part of the free tier, then you will be charged because that's not coming as part of the free access for the account. So definitely the charge will come up as part of your credit card statement. That is why AWS takes your credit card details. This is just in case I said if you use a service which is not free of cost. As I mentioned before, if you want to play around with AWS, then it is recommended to go ahead and create an AWS free account.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.